Future content creators, are you interested in starting a YouTube channel in 2024 but don't know where to start from or where to begin? Well, you are very lucky because in less than 6 minutes, I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel with just a smartphone. So if it's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up and also let's vibe on. Hey guys, my name is Charles and I'm a tech content creator from Nigeria. So I'm actually doing this intro for people who are new to this channel. So if you are new to this channel, you're actually welcome. If you check out the profile of this channel, you'll notice that I will post about tech stuff, tech tutorials, and anything related to tech. So yeah, let's head over to the video or to the main topic of this video real quick. I'm not going to waste any much of the time at all. So as someone who started a YouTube channel in 2022, here are 6 steps I took that actually guide me on starting a successful YouTube channel in 2024. And I think these steps is going to actually help you out in starting your channel in 2024. It's pretty much easy, pretty much straightforward. It shouldn't even stress you at all. So the first step is setting up your YouTube account. The second step is choosing your niche. While the third is setting up your channel. The fourth one is recording your first video. The fifth is editing and uploading, and while the sixth is promoting your channel. So these steps actually worked for me. That's why I made this video, because I know there are creators out there or there are people out there who are trying to start a YouTube channel in 2024. So we are going to start with the setting up of your YouTube account. So let's start with setting up your YouTube account. This is pretty simple and different from setting up a YouTube channel. So setting up a YouTube account, from the moment you just log in into your YouTube app with your Google account, you already own a YouTube account. I mean, you're using your YouTube account to watch my video right now. So we're going to get into that, right? You've not yet owned a YouTube channel. You already have a YouTube account. So now you set up your YouTube account. You already have a YouTube account. What next? Choosing your niche. So in 2022, when I started my YouTube channel, choosing a niche wasn't even complicated at all for me. Because why? I love tech, and tech was the thing I love doing the most. I mean, even people around me do ask me tech questions and I find solutions for them and stuff like that. So I just started my YouTube channel and I went for tech niche and mixed it up with like tech tutorials and tech stuff like that. So we are trying to start a YouTube channel in 2024. Make sure to choose a niche that you're going to do for a long run. So your niche should be something you love doing. It should be your passion, right? It might be tech. It might be fashion, it might be vlogging, it might be street tech, it might be dancing, it might be videographing, anything at all. Just make sure that the niche you're choosing should be what you love doing. So the third step is setting up your YouTube channel. Now, what is required from you is your channel name, your channel profile, your channel info, and maybe other stuff like that. Now, when you're trying to choose a channel name, choose a name that can be easily be found by your viewers. Like when I started my YouTube channel in 2022, I wanted to like use the name Media Tech or House of Tech or stuff like that, but I ended up using Charles Tech. Why? Because Charles Tech was easier for me and easier for people. People can easily find me with Charles Tech than Media Tech or that stuff like that. You can actually now put in your channel profile and also the YouTube banner. If you want to add a YouTube banner, you can actually use Canva to add YouTube banner. You can go on the Canva application and search for YouTube banner. Now you can just like, re-edit them and like use them on your YouTube banner. Now the next thing is to add your info about your channel. And by doing all of that, you're halfway on starting your YouTube channel. So the first step is recording your first YouTube video. Now, this is where it gets very funny, Like when I started my YouTube channel in 2022, I always say when I started my YouTube channel in 2022, because yeah, that is when I started my YouTube channel. So when I started my YouTube channel in 2022, I uploaded my first video, and I didn't have any feeling like awkward feeling at all, because I was just like, I just want to upload my first video. And my first video, I showed my face, and the video was very, very cool, to be honest. So what you have to do is record your first video. Like, you don't need to worry much about cameras or gears or anything at all. you can actually use your smartphone to record your first video. Okay, so I'm going to recommend a third-party camera application you can actually use to get better video quality. And the third-party camera application I'm going to recommend is our Open Camera app. And I'm actually using that to shoot my videos, and it's really cool. Using this application will give you access to camera settings that's going to help you achieve better video results. People who do use Samsung devices, you already have this on the Pro Video. You can do settings and like get better video results. So what you're waiting for, just hit the record button and start recording your YouTube video. But before that, since you know your niche, you have to make research or topics around your niche and create videos about them, and that is going to help you a lot. The first step is editing and uploading your YouTube video. After you record the YouTube video, the next thing is editing your YouTube video and also uploading. So these are just like process or like starting a YouTube channel. So I'm going to recommend one app, and this app is what I use. I was previously using KMaster to edit my YouTube video before I ended up using CapCut application. So this is a popular video editing application. So you can actually use that to edit your first YouTube video. Search for CapCut tutorials on YouTube, learn about the application and use it to edit your first YouTube video. So after editing your first YouTube video, the next thing to do is to upload your YouTube video. And with that, you successfully started your YouTube channel. So the 6 steps to wrap up everything is promoting your YouTube channel. So promoting your YouTube channel is one thing you should actually do as a content creator. I mean, you shouldn't be shy about promoting your YouTube channel. You need to share your link to your friends, to your family members, to your Facebook group, your WhatsApp group, your Instagram profile. Anywhere at all you feel like sharing your YouTube link, share it right there. People are going to watch your YouTube videos. Yeah, that's it. So starting up a YouTube channel with your smartphone is pretty easy, but just remember to be consistent, patient, and also persistent. I wish you good luck. When you start up your YouTube channel, just let me know. So if you have any question related to this video, just let me know down below the comment section. I'm Charles, and I'm a tech content creator. You can also leave your intro, introduce yourself in the comment section. Yeah, that's just it. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Peace.